Welcome back to Hello Expert. Today, we're delving into the groundbreaking world of Apple Vision Pro. Join us as we unravel the mysteries behind its revolutionary technology, uncovering how it's reshaping the way we experience the digital realm. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Unveiled at the Worldwide Developers Conference on June 5th, 2023, Apple Vision Pro marks the tech giant's first major product launch since the Apple Watch in 2015. Pre-orders opened up on January 19, 2024, followed by availability in the United States on February 2, 2024. Branded as a spatial computer, Vision Pro seamlessly integrates digital content into the physical world. It showcases advanced interaction features such as motion gestures, eye tracking, and speech recognition, distinguishing it from conventional VR headsets. Running on Vision OS, a mixed reality operating system rooted in the iOS framework, the device introduces a 3D user interface, facilitating multitasking via floating windows. With a top-mounted dial, users can seamlessly transition between real-world and virtual environments, enhancing the immersive experience. Furthermore, the system supports personalized avatars called personas, generated through facial scanning displayed on a front-facing screen to aid in communication and immersion feedback. Hardware. Apple Vision Pro is a wearable mixed reality headset that consists of 4 components. A continuous piece of 3-dimensionally formed laminated glass that acts as a lens, a slightly curved aluminum alloy frame, all sensors, cameras, and chips, and a dual chip design. The M2 chip provides standalone power to allow the device to operate independently, while the R1 chip provides a lag-free content experience. The device features 12 cameras, 5 sensors, and 6 microphones, and it can be purchased with 3 internal storage configurations: 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. The device can be powered by an external power supply, a USB-C port on a Mac, or a battery pack rated for 2 hours of use. Control. Apple Vision Pro is controlled by a user's eyes, hands, and voice, allowing for natural and intuitive interaction with spatial content. The device features precise eye tracking to eliminate the need for controllers, hand tracking that combines with eye tracking to anticipate the user's movements, and voice input. Users can browse through apps by simply looking at them, tapping their fingers to select, flicking their wrists to scroll, or using voice to dictate. Personas. Apple Vision Pro is designed to be used without glasses, but size optical inserts are available for those who need glasses for vision correction. Users may also provide their eyeglass prescriptions to receive lens inserts manufactured in partnership with Zeiss. Spatial cameras. Apple Vision Pro features 12 cameras, which are used for 6DoF inside-out tracking, photogrammetry, hand gesture recognition, eye tracking, and spatial photography and videography. The device also features a stereoscopic 3D main camera system with 18mm f2 aperture and 6.5 stereo megapixels. Vision OS. Apple Vision Pro runs on Vision OS, which is a custom operating system designed specifically for spatial computing. The powerful M2 chip simultaneously runs Vision OS, executes advanced computer vision algorithms, and delivers stunning graphics, all with incredible efficiency. The brand new R1 chip is specifically dedicated to process input from cameras, sensors, and microphones, streaming images to the displays within 12 milliseconds for a virtually lag-free, real-world, real-time view of the world. Wrap up. Apple Vision Pro is a revolutionary spatial computer that seamlessly blends digital content with the physical world. It features an ultra-high resolution display system, custom Apple silicon, and unique dual-chip design. The device is controlled by a user's eyes, hands, and voice, allowing for natural and intuitive interaction with spatial content. It also includes an innovative feature called eyesight, which helps users stay connected with those around them. The device offers industry-leading privacy and security with a new authentication system called Optic ID that analyzes a user's iris to unlock the device, autofill passwords, and complete payments with Apple Pay. The device is made available in the US starting at $3,499 with 256 gigabytes worth of storage, and pre-orders began on January 19, 2024.